Welcome everyone, my name is Fred Said, your Orange County real estate specialist. Today I have a special guest in the house. His name is Al Gravish, and he's here to give you education on debt and how to get rid of it. So Al, go ahead and tell people what you do.
Again, my name is Al Gravish, and I've been in the industry of debt consolidation for a little while now. What I want to go over with you folks really quickly here is just the 5 different ways that an average consumer can take care of their unsecured debt. Okay? Number 1 is going to be continuing to do what you're doing already in most people's cases, and that's just paying on time to your creditors. Okay? Now, what I would recommend in that given situation is you want to take a look at what your interest rate is, obviously, and how much of your monthly payment is actually going towards the principal every month. Okay? Once you find that number out, double that and pay that every single month. That'll get you out of debt within about 3 to 5 years. That should be listed on your credit card statements as well. Okay? Now, the second alternative is going down a consumer credit counseling path or debt management. Okay? Now, debt management is very simple to get qualified for. The beautiful thing about it is that you take no negative impact on your credit.
Hi guys, my name's Matt Robar, and for those of you who don't know exactly who I am or what I do yet, that's fine. I'll kind of go into it a little bit at the end of the video, but basically what I wanted to talk about today is different ways to get out of debt, how to get out of debt. Now, not too long ago I found myself in a similar situation where I had racking credit card debt, and I was actually in between jobs, and it really came on to me to find a way to make things happen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into some of the more traditional ways that people will go about, taking care of their debt. And then I'll kind of let you in on a little secret on how I was able to do it, how I was able to make large sums of money, and now I can work from my pool every day. But some of the more traditional ways of getting rid of debt are going to be, your debt consolidation first. And basically what a debt consolidation loan is basically they're going to be closing out your accounts and giving you a loan to pay off. Now, it does kind of hurt your credit if you think about it, because your credit is based off the strength and how long your trade lines have been open. So if you close 3 or 4 of your longest trade lines, and maybe you only have 10 trade lines, 15 trade lines, if you close a third of your trade lines, that's going to hurt your credit score dramatically. So I typically only recommend a debt consolidation loan if you really have no other choice. Even farther down the spectrum is going to be your debt settlement. Now, this is basically if you have no intention of paying off the full amount of debt and you have succumbed to the fact that you're not going to have that money, you can hire a lawyer to basically negotiate on your behalf to settle it for less. But be very careful out there. There are a lot of shady debt settlement companies, so you want to find one with a good track record and one who actually has a good proven record. So